In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to contact Piggyvest customer care. So all you just need to do is just log into your Piggyvest app on Google Play, on Android device or on your iPhone. Then the next thing you're going to do, just click on account down below. So once you click on account, scroll all the way down, then you're going to see contact also right here. So on this page, scroll down, you can see their official address in Lagos. You can see their phone number. If you click on call now, you see their phone number. If you click on email address, you can see their email address as well. If you click on Twitter, you can contact them. If you click on Instagram, you can see their Instagram handle. If you click on Facebook, you can see their Facebook handle. And if you click on blogs, you also see their blog page. But then there's another way, which of course you can see all these things without clicking on any of them. So I think you have to click on security. Let's check on that. Okay, I'm not sure if this page, let's see, on this top Piggyvest icon right here, let's click on the top. You're gonna see their email and phone number. So you can see right here, you can see their phone number right here and their contact. You can see contact at piggyvest.com. So you can contact them through the email and through their phone number. So it's very easy, just like that.